In this video, you will learn how to switch between tanks. Being on the home screen, you see that the cleaner tank is already selected. To change to another tank, you can do by two ways. Either you press the menu button from top right, then select Tanks button, or you can go back to the home screen and long press the tanks icons, just like that. Choose the one you want to use, let's say this is L1, and then press confirm to start the process. Then again yes, this is it. As you see, the new tank is selected.